Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Bhagat Gaud. Today I'm going to show you how you can add glow to your final renders. So first you have to go to compositing. Make sure you enable the use nodes. Now go to add filters, click on glare and put it in between this line. So currently we are using streaks and make it bloom, and also the fog glow will do the same effect. Do it according to your project, whichever looks good. So let me add the bloom and decrease the mix a little bit. I'm holding the shift key to decrease it very slowly. If you want, you can duplicate it by shift D and add it again. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, please like and share it with your Blender friends and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. We will meet again in the next video. Bye.